If you are hiring a generator, whether it be for temporary power or standby power, there are a few safety questions you should ask yourself in the planning stage. If access to your site is particularly narrow, uphill or off-road, less maneuverable vehicles may not be able to get on and off-site safely. Generators are extremely valuable, so it's important that your site is secure to avoid any theft of units, theft of fuel and tampering with the generators. Our container-gens are housed in a fully lockable, heavy-duty ISO container to solve this problem. Exhaust fumes from engines, such as those found in generators, contain harmful gases such as carbon monoxide, an invisible, odorless, and potentially dangerous gas, so keeping the generator fumes away from living accommodation is a must. Position generators well away from any water sources to avoid the possibility of serious pollution. In the unfortunate event of a diesel spill, this can cause significant environmental damage. You wouldn't want your generator to run out of fuel, so make sure that the tank can be accessed and refueled safely, without risk to you, your customers, and the public. Help reduce tripping hazards on your site by covering all ground-laid cables with purpose-built cable ramps. To find out more, visit the full written blog on our website at powerelectrics.com/blog.